Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall today, not the greatest day, but big picture-wise, the trend is still perfectly fine, and I'm trying to make a little bit of a distinction because, yes, if you all you look at is today individually, yeah, of course, not a good day, right? It gapped down, broke through some levels of support. However, if you take a step back and look at more than just a single day and look at multiple days, then the overall trend is still plenty in the bulls direction. As you can see here, the overall drift of things still very, very clear. So yes, today the price pulled back. So today, individually, not a good day, but this has not been the first pullback, right? There have been several pullbacks before, but the key dynamic is each of those pullbacks continues to build higher bases. And that's what we have here. Now, just because it's a higher base right now doesn't mean that it's for sure guaranteed to go back up. I mean, if only the market were that easy, if only guarantees existed. But my core point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to be saying, yeah, it pulled back, but this is not the first pullback. It's still within the overall uptrend. So it seems as though the price could very well just, make a maneuver back to the upside. And again, while that's not guaranteed to happen, a more than rational thought process to be having. And that is where that purple line there comes into play, which I know I've talked about in several past videos, but that remains really that main overarching level of support, meaning as dramatic as the price gets, as far as the price can, being up and down and all around, as long as the price does stay above that purple line, then overall, the overall trend is still fully in the bulls' favor, and that's what we have here. So sure, it pulled back, but all this is occurring right up there above that purple line. So that's, as far as I'm concerned, things are perfectly, A-okay as far as the big picture trend. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the main area of resistance now is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So initial area going to be right there at 1845. And then after 1845, that overarching level up there at 1965. But let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.